Gitirwa thini Profesa Kindiki ni kinyirie kuria kaunti-ini ya Turkana na kuria thiete na mbere na gugacirithia kana itemini ria kiria gutigirira ati mihango ya kugacirithia thayo mwena ucio ni akorwo igikinyanira na njira iria yagiriire. Gukiri uguo ni acungiire kana gukiri uguo ni acokerie ngatho maabitha muhoyo na aria mari mwena ucio ni gutigirira ati ni maruta wira mwega wa gutigirira ati ni mahurana na njakara cia ikinaine iria thiete na mbere na kwagagia aikari mwena ucio. Thegia macio mothe Profesa Kindiki ni aniririe ati ministry ya githomo kana ro hamwe na thirikari manyitanire na ministry ya githomo ni megutigirira ati ni maruta ciringi milioni 100 niguo gutithiriria waki wa mathukuru na makirira thimwe na ucio niguo rutwo makorwo makiona handu magieta ha guthie thukuru niguo gutigirira ati ni manyitanire na Kenya aria angi aria maragithi na mbere na gutigirira ati ni mahimbiria githomo kothe bururi-ini.
We will get Mackenzie and his collaborators convicted on the basis of evidence and the law. It's as simple as that. And the reason why I said that he will stay in prison forever is because I am aware the kind of punishment that is given to people who commit the kind of crimes he has committed, based on my professional background. I'm aware what kind of punishment is visited on such people.
Kindiki holds a PhD in law and whatever he stated was sub judice. The matter is in court. So we want to know if the said CS is running an independent judiciary or court apart from the one established by the Constitution of Kenya. And we expect the CS and any other legal-minded person to assume them to be innocent until proved guilty.
Haya, tugithi na mbere ni ati nake minister wa githomo guku bururi-ini Ezekiel Machogu ni athiite na mbere